Hello world, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl CLC Clean Crochet. Guys, today I'm going to use a 3.0 hook, and first of all you measure from your nipple to under your breast, okay, and you chain according to. So this chain is from your nipple to under your breast to get your actual measurement for the bra cap. Okay, so after chaining you have to measure to find out if it's okay for you, then you move on to the next stage. Okay, so after getting the right measurement, you yarn over and you make a double crochet into the first stitch hole that you see. Okay, make another double crochet into the next stitch hole, another double crochet into the next stitch hole. Okay, so you are making double crochet throughout till you get to the end or the tip of this chain. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell, give me a like, comment below. Okay, so double crochet, double crochet. Okay, so the next you have to chain one, turn your work, and you're going to have double crochet throughout again on the other side till we get to the tip of the work. This works very well with the thin yarn. Okay, so with the thin yarn you'll be able to get the best results. Okay, so on the tip, that's the stitch hole right in the middle part, you have to make 4 double crochets instead of 1 double crochet. Okay, the tip over here, you're going to have 4 double crochet into the same stitch hole, because you're going to use that as a peak or a tip. Okay, so that the other side will be the base of our bra cap. So let's have our 4 double crochet. Okay, so after the 4 double crochet, you go back to your 1 double crochet in each of the stitch holes that you have. So you're making 1 double crochet till you get to the base of our work. Okay, so at the base this is what you have. Now you chain 1 and turn your work, and you're going to go around like this and that, remembering to always increase this part by making 4 double crochets at the tip. So let's do that. The trick is that you, right from the beginning, you decide where you want it to become your tip, then you decide where you want it to be your base. So always at the tip you have to make 4 double crochet into 1 stitch hole. Okay, so that's when you get to the base, you just chain 1 and turn your work, then you make double crochet from the other side. So you keep on doing this, increasing the tip till you get the size that is big enough to cover your breast, your entire breast. Okay, so this is our breast cap, bra cap. Yeah, you chain one. Then let me show you how to make that little designs at the edges. So you make 4 double crochet into 1 stitch hole like this. You skip 1 stitch hole. In the next stitch hole you make a single crochet, then you make another single crochet, then another single crochet like this. Okay, in the next stitch hole you make 4 double crochet, okay, skip 1, in the next make a single crochet, another single crochet, another single crochet. Okay, next stitch hole is going to take 4 double crochet. Okay, so you can see that we are having some designs at the edges. So 4 double crochet, skip 1, chain, make single crochet 3 times. Then so let's do that throughout to have that design. Okay, so after finishing this piece, you make a similar one for your next or the other side of your breast. Okay, so this is what we have. Now we are going to join these 2 pieces together with a single crochet, but first of all let's tie it up like this so that it doesn't come off. Okay, so let's now make a chain, and always count the number of chains that you're going to, because this chain is going to cover your side. Okay, so I'm going to make 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So make 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so 19 chains for me. You can make it longer. Okay, so I fix it at the edge like this. Okay, and I make single crochets with this at the edges. Single crochets normally always helps to keep your work intact. Okay, so you make single crochets at the edges. Then when you get to the end, you join it with the other bra cap. Okay, so I'm joining it with this one, and that one too, you make your single crochet. This piece of work is really good for those at the regions where they are experiencing hot weather. Okay, and even those who are experiencing winter now, you can just make it down and prepare for the summer. Okay, so after joining the 2 pieces, the next of all you're going to just have meshes at the edges, just to have a kind of design for piece. So you yarn over, you make your first double crochet into the first stitch hole, you chain 3, you skip 3, in the 4th you make a double crochet. Okay, skip 3, make double crochet into the 4th stitch hole. Okay, you chain 3, skip 3, in the 4th make a double crochet. So this part is all about chaining of 3, skipping of 3, and making double crochet into the 4th stitch holes. Okay, so we are doing this till we get to the end of our work, and we are going to chain and turn our work and continue increasing that part. Okay, so let's do that. Do it throughout to this tip. Okay, so this is what we have. Now you're going to chain 1 and turn the work like this. Then you make your first double crochet onto the first double crochet that you have. You chain 3, make the next double crochet onto the next double crochet that we have. So right directly on top of that previous double crochet, you make your double crochet. So you do that till you get here. You chain 1, you turn your work, you go round and round like this, so you get the height that you want. Now I'm going to make some chains that I'm going to use it to tie my bag. So I've doubled my yarn this time. Okay, so that the chain will be a little bit tough. Okay, so I'll make a number of chain. Okay, as long as I want it, because this one I'm going to use it as a kind of lace to tie my back. Okay, when you are done, you do the same for the other side. Okay, so you cut it, then cut the excess off, then you tie it like this. Okay, let's do for this part too. Okay, this and this, then we have another long ones over here, then we are good to go. So let's have it. You double the yarn, then you make your chain over here. So the other side to take 2, then on the peak of the bra caps we take a much longer one, because those ones are going to use it to tie your neck. Make sure the number of chains that you do for one part will be equal to the number of chains that you make for the other part. But for the bra cap area, you have to make it longer enough to be able to tie your neck. Okay, so at the end, this is what I have. Now guys, let's work for the fringes part. Okay, you can leave it like this, but let's just add some details to it. So the fringes part, you just fold the yarn severally like this. Okay, then you cut off the edges so that you can easily remove the strands of yarns. Okay, now you take like 4 to 5 of the yarns like this. Okay, then with the help of your hook, you pull it through one mesh hole like this, indicate the middle part, then you tie. Okay, now I'm going to skip one mesh hole, then I'll move on to the next mesh hole. Make the same thing, pull the yarn through like this, indicate the middle part, then I tie it up. Okay, then I'm going to do that throughout to get to the end. So at the end, this is what you have. You realize that your yarn and they are not all that straight, so you cut it out to make it very straight. Okay, so that your work will be very neat and perfect. Okay, so this is our work. We are done with a simple bralette. I'll see you guys in my next video tutorial. Bye.